Leader of ISEC in Greece. I'm Haris, I'm MFCVP OGXGCTP, and I'm recording this video to say that this is an amazing opportunity for you to come in Greece, especially this summer, and that it will really make a difference for our cooperation with ISEC in Hungary, because it's a cooperation that we really try to upgrade, and we really believe its potential, and I see that we really make a difference in the trust of the VPs and how they can feel that they can really cooperate with ISEC in Hungary, both in promotion and racing and matching. So we really need you here, and I think that it will be an amazing experience for you too, experiencing another ISEC country, and especially here in Greece with this sunny, lovely weather and these hospitable people that we really are. So we really expect you here. Take the decision, and we're waiting for you. Bye.